Laser weapons may soon go from the movies to the battlefield, where they will target and destroy incoming missiles or the most sophisticated drones. A weapon that travels at the speed of light can be tuned to produce the appropriate amount of damage, with no need for ammunition, is enticing for militaries, even if it has its own set of technical challenges. So what's the current state of laser weapons systems? Laser weapons direct energy toward their targets via a strong beam of high-temperature light. This means that unlike the blasters we've seen in science fiction movies, our laser weapons usually work like continuous wave lasers. They are most commonly used to blind personnel, similar to a more precise flashbang grenade. The Optical Dazzling Interdictor Navy, or ODIN, is currently being used on several U.S. Navy destroyer-class ships. The ODIN is capable of remotely frying sensors and other electrical components on drones and missiles, preventing them from reaching their target and enemy forces from gathering intel. Lasers can also function as a blowtorch. On the field, they produce a specific effect on a particular part of a target, be it a drone or missile. For example, melting off the wings or surface controls of a missile would lead it to crash into the ocean below. Targeting its sensors would prevent it from locating its intended target. Lasers can even be used to remotely detonate an enemy's payload and turn their weapons against them. The Navy's High-Energy Laser and Integrated Optical Dazzler and Surveillance, or HELIOS, is one such laser. It is more powerful than the ODIN and intended to be used specifically for its anti-missile capabilities. The U.S. Navy hopes it will disable incoming subsonic anti-ship cruise missiles with greater precision than ever before. If the HELIOS system ends up as effective in practice as it is in theory, it would replace most defensive missiles, as it will have an unlimited number of shots. Seeing ships fitted exclusively with laser systems as armament is still a distant prospect. Systems such as the ODIN and HELIOS are a welcome addition to the Navy's fleet, but they won't be totally replacing traditional weaponry anytime soon. Laser weapons in their current state come with a host of drawbacks and limitations. The biggest hurdle they face is thermal blooming. That's when air around the target is heated, causing a gradient in air density that defocuses the beam. Laser weapons also need clean air to work, which is hard to come by in the heat of battle. Phenomena such as smoke, dust, rain, or fog only worsen its accuracy and effectiveness. Deploying something as simple as a smoke grenade is all it would take to counter them. While it may be premature to abandon our existing military weapons systems, laser weapons are becoming more practical than ever before in the face of new and different threats.